Here we've got Armor 3W, and let me show you how to activate demo mode on this device. So at first you need to open list of all apps, find and select settings, then locate system and click on advanced. Now go to developer options. However, if you cannot see them here, just take a look at our tutorial on how to unlock developer options and then click to open. Go a bit lower and here it is. Here we've got system demo mode, click to open, and by tapping on enable demo mode you can make it active. Then if you'd like to make it visible as well, it will be shown. So this is it, that will be all. Obviously whenever you want to turn demo mode off, just tap on this switcher and it's no longer active. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.